Alright, Triumph Rocket. Front shocks all done, brake pads changed. Now more leaking. Spent last bit of a day cleaning the chrome, looks quite nice. Triumph Rocket 3. Engine, I don't know if you notice, it was like a very light grey colour. The new model is black engined, so I decided to black the engine. Been painting all day, hands. It doesn't look bad, does it? Few little touch-up bits, but with the chrome head and nice chrome pipes, I think that really stands it out quite nicely. More chrome cleaning. You notice I put the double indicators on. I thought it looks nicer, double lights. One was at the back, one was at the front, so I put them both on. So it looks quite nice now. The exhaust system, you can see it. This is what I was going mad about the other day. Size of that bloody back tyre. Just look. Look. Itty bitty. That's a 160. Front tyre's a 150, for God's sake. But I do love that. Anyway. Yes. Needs a bit of cleaning that brake. Well, I had all the back off. Original tower back on. I think it looks quite nice. Side engine. I think that does look much better in black. I say the new models have it in black, so why not? And this is exhaust, just a tiny bit. All round, marks out of 10. I think this looks quite nice actually. Yeah. Hello. Quite nice, bit of a job. I said in the other video, there's a single seat now. That's there, and that's a short top tail, all the bits. But just look at that. Yeah, I like that. I know it's a bit low, but I do like that. A bit more cleaning got to be done. Exhaust right, I suppose. I better start her. I'll wake the neighbours up. Key. Oh, clutch. Everybody wait a minute. Does sound very, very nice, and looking at it, I know I said the Verado wasn't imposing on the road, but come on, 2.3 3-cylinder engine. I was trying to work out what that was. It's got to be 700 and something to the pot. That's phenomenal. I am looking on Mr. eBay for more chrome bits. I think it would look lovely with some nice chrome bits. A few more anyway. I do like chrome. Double seat. I could still stick even the single seat on the back. I was even thinking about taking this off again and putting the chop on, because I realised the chop would come to here, but I want to do something with the back light. I don't like the idea of having a bike light on one side. Anyway, there you go. Check out my videos and see what you think. Oh, look at them flames. Very nice, isn't it? Right guys, check out my videos. Bye bye. Triumph Rocket 3. Lovely bike.